basis of my teaching experience that their teaching guideline is best. As this can be said by me as I am a university lecturer. In this point, we can say they can clearly taught the basic things. In exam, we cannot found direct question. We found many question strategically options or linguistic criticalness, but their guidance is so much smooth and so much clear, as they very clearly taught us from the basic viewpoint. We can answer those questions efficiently without knowing the exact options in the study time, but we can answer that correctly.
Hi Afifa, congratulations for clearing your OPRA November examination. How are you feeling?
Thank you. Of course, I'm feeling too much good because the first part of the struggling period is over now. And many thanks to our mentors, our expertise team for our success. All credit goes to them.
Yeah, all credit goes to your hard work and sir and ma'am's determination that they were determined to make you the Australian pharmacist and they are doing well. So now I would like to know what is your background? What is your academic background? What did you study? Where do you belong to? And how you got to know about OPRA examination and had this ambition of working as a pharmacist in Australia.
Um, Actually, I belongs to Bangladesh, and
Okay.
I completed my B Farm and M Farm in University of Dhaka. It is the top category university in Bangladesh, number one public university. And now I am as a faculty position in a private university. I teach my student pharmacy, and I have my husband and my family is ambitious to go or to settle us in Australia. So yeah, in that case, we have to must go through the Australian license exam. In that procedure, I follow this program, and I heard about this Elite Expertise team from one of my student teacher. Um, Gain knowledge from student. So in this way, I can came to know about Elite Expertise team, and here is the result.
Yeah, as you have mentioned very beautifully, that knowledge is something that even a teacher can take from her student, and one of your students suggested about elite expertise to you. That's quite wonderful. So, how was your study like? What was your experience with elite expertise in past few days when you were preparing for your examinations?
Yes, yes. Um, the preparation period was very hard and struggling. Our mentors helped us a lot. Actually, our mentors told all of us that we have to leave from our job at least for 15 days before exam. But uh, for my present scenario and job position, I cannot take leave. I could not take leave. I I I was my job just before day of my exam, and I fly from Bangladesh to India to give that exam, to sit for exam. But all this is possible from our mentor's guidance. I have two child, one 14 months old and one is 6 years old. And my situation was very hard, and I have full time job, 9 p.m. to 5 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the rest of the time I just follow our mentors guideline recordings. And with my bad luck, I was not able to attend the live classes of our mentors because of my job, because of my family. All the things was very hard, but their guidance was so smooth and so routine and so helpful. Their guidance was so resourceful that I could accomplish this journey.
So, oh, very beautifully, you have explained that a mother can never take leave, even though you didn't take leave from your work either. You were working, you were a mother too, and you were also taking care of your family. At the same time, you were ambitious enough to prepare for OPRA examination. I really feel that you have achieved one of the biggest feat that a human can think of achieving. Now, I would like to know how this journey went. Like, many challenges would be there. How sir and ma'am guided you, that helped you to achieve this goal and clear your examination. How much time it took for you to clear this examination, and where is the credit that's due, you would like to tell?
Okay. Um, as I have planned that I cannot take leave from job and full-time mother and full-time family responsibility, I joined earlier in the Elite Expertise, but this is the true case scenario for every student. How many further, how many before we can join? That is not the point. The study is begin in the last time actually, the frame time, 3 month time. And I can add one point. As I am a university lecturer, I can fully understand our mentor's guidance is so much powerful and so much resourceful that I can add as my teaching experience. Many students have many type experience by many type of feelings for the elite expertise, but I can add one point in basis on the basis of my teaching experience that their teaching guideline is best. As this can be said by me as I am a university lecturer. In this point, we can say they can clearly taught the basic things. In exam, we cannot found direct question. We found many question strategically options or linguistic criticalness, but their guidance is so much smooth and so much clear, as they very clearly taught us from the basic viewpoint. We can answer those questions efficiently without knowing the exact options in the study time, but we can answer that correctly
That's truly a
because
blessing
of
to
their
hear.
tricky lesson.
Yeah, I was saying that that's truly a blessing to hear from a lecturer, university lecturer, that sir and ma'am were confident and knowledgeable enough to guide a
And
university lecturer. And yeah,
the effort they gave, not as a professional, like family member. This type of effort and this type of time, they gave around half of the day, around 80% of the day time they devote us before the 20 days, before the 1 month of period. That is huge. Only teaching materials cannot gain so much success. The effort they gave with time and not with the time, with passion, with heart.
yeah, I can
This is
definitely
so much great.
see in your eyes, and I can definitely feel in your words that the way you are explaining your thoughts, you are feeling like I want to say a lot, but I'm not able to express them in words, right? That is the thing that's happening with you.
Yeah,
And that's exactly
right.
the thing I will tell you. Many candidates, they have said the same thing, because there are many things to say, there are many things to express, but words would remain few when they would get into explaining what they felt like working, uh, getting in mentorship of ma'am and sir. And now I won't take much of your time. I would like to concise it to what are the three things that you would remember with elite expertise that you are never ever gonna forget about.
Okay. Their of course, firstly their effort, their trickiness, their teaching strategy, and their helpfulness. Each time we message in the group, or I never message personally in Siren Ma'am. I think that is not. We have a group. We put our questions in them, and Ma'am answered that very efficiently and as quickly as possible. That is nearly impossible for a professional. Like in the country, they are also professional. They are also have full time job. They also give time. Also ask. This is very difficult. I can say this cannot be done by other coaching material by other coaching center. This is exceptional in elite expertise. This type
Okay,
of
so
dedication. I say that dedication is like family member type dedication. This is not a professional type dedication that they put, sir and ma'am. I can
yeah,
say this.
in the end, it's all about helping students to clear their
Helping
examination.
student at a point of personal level that is not possible by any kind of professional teaching or coaching center. That I thought that was my thought.
Yes, very beautifully you have described it. And what if I know you are short of words, but if there is one word to describe your experience with ma'am and sir, then what that one word would be? One word.
One word, very brief. One word. They are amazing.
They are
Amazing.
amazing, right? Again, I have heard this from many candidates, and again, you have echoed the same word which I have been hearing since morning interviewing candidates, and they are saying the same, that sir and ma'am are excellent, they are amazing, they are wonderful. That's a really blessing in disguise to know that your students care so much about you. Your student feel so connected with you. That's a uh, very best, very like a compliment that a teacher, a tutor like you also teach students. You have many students that uh, get guidance from you. If a student says this to you, you would feel like above the eighth cloud, right? So that's really amazing.
Yes.
And yeah, congratulations, Afifa. Congratulations, and have a wonderful journey ahead. Wish you all the best from Team Elite Expertise.
Yes. Thank you also.